How to delete your Uber account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Uber account within the Uber app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Uber app. Then in the bottom menu, select either the person icon or if it says account under it, select account. From there, scroll all the way down to the bottom. And all we need to do is select manage Uber account. Then here, select privacy and data in the top right, and then select privacy center. Once in the Privacy Center, scroll down to the bottom, and you should see under Account Security, Account Deletion. Select that, select Accept. They will then text a 4-digit code to the phone number associated with your Uber account. So enter that in. You'll then need to enter your password for your account. Once you enter your password, you'll be brought to a summary of your account, and then all you need to do here is select Continue. It's important to note that your Uber account will be deactivated for 30 days. If you do not reactivate it by logging back into your account during that 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So just keep that in mind. Select Continue, give them a reason for why you're deleting your account, and then all you need to do is select Delete Account. So that's how you delete your Uber account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.